What have you completed?
I haven't got to complete anything else.
Okay.
That's what I'm saying now that I'm in more of a stable.
This case isn't just about probation, it's about choices. Jessica Johnson had her chance at freedom, but repeated violations put her back before the court. The state pushes for 10 years, while her defense pleads for leniency. Will mercy win, or will accountability finally catch up?
Court is calling 2021 CR 7243, State of Texas versus Jessica Lee Johnson. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Hey, for the state, Your Honor.
Defense?
John Robertson from Ms. Johnson.
All right, and are you Jessica Johnson?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to show you what's entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision. First, state's motion to supplement pending motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revoke community supervision. And second, state's motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revoke community supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Jessica Lee Johnson, who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2021 CR 7243 for the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, 4 grams to 200 grams on September 8, 2021 for a period of 5 years?
Deferred adjudication is a golden ticket, freedom in exchange for responsibility. But Jessica's failure to report shows how fragile that deal is. Was she struggling with life, or simply ignoring the rules? That's the puzzle the court is about to solve, and it could cost her dearly.
Is that you?
Ma'am.
All right, state.
This is on the first motion, Judge. Violated condition number 2, on or about the 6th day of February. I'm sorry. Violated condition number 4, in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, Jessica Lee Johnson, did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of April, May, November, December 2022, and January 2023 in violation of condition number 4.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
And then, Judge, this is on the second state's motion to supplement pending motion to enter. Violated condition number 4, in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, Jessica Lee Johnson, did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of March, April, May, June, July, and August 2023 in violation of condition.
Month after month, Jessica skipped reporting. That's not one mistake, it's a pattern. And in the courtroom, patterns matter more than excuses. Judges don't want words, they want proof. Do you think missing 6 straight months should mean prison, or another chance to prove herself?
Could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 20 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violations 4 and 4?
Yes.
Court will find violations 4 and 4 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
No, Your Honor.
All right, state, what are you requesting?
Your Honor, we're asking that you grant the motion, adjudicate the defendant guilty, and sentence the defendant to 10 years to do.
All right, defense, what are you requesting?
Your Honor, I'm requesting the court consider something other than revocation, or if revocation is going to be imposed at a number less than 10 would be more appropriate. Ms. Johnson would like to address the court, kind of explain her situation.
Her attorney leans into emotion, her father's illness, her unstable life. It's a plea for compassion, and it pulls at the heart. But this is her 3rd violation. At what point do personal struggles stop excusing repeated failures? Would you be swayed by her story or not?
All right, if you could raise your right hand for me, please. Do you solemnly swear affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Jessica Johnson.
All right, what would you like to say?
Just now that I'm in a better, stable environment, and my dad's health is a little better under control. And I was gonna try to ask for a final chance with probation being in the new county that we've relocated to. Me going away will leave my 18-year-old take care of my dad by himself.
All right, what have you been doing while you've been on probation? Because you have not been reporting.
Yes, ma'am. Well, we did move out to Pipe Creek, Texas. And my dad's health was up and down in the middle of us relocating. So we actually ended up leaving behind, half of our belongings at the old house and not even going back for it because my dad having to have surgery and being in and out the hospital.
Let me ask you this. Did you ever provide the location of the children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so because this is your third motion to revoke,
Yes, ma'am.
and the first one, it's,
They're still in the same place with my mom that they've been the whole time because of my dad's health being up and down and us relocating.
The judge's questions cut deep. CPS, drug court, parenting classes, all incomplete. Jessica admits failure at every step. Promises now sound hollow against years of neglect. It's not about one excuse anymore, it's about credibility. Can the judge believe anything new, she says? Would you?
proof of residency in Austin
Right.
and follow through on your CPS requirements. Did you complete CPS?
When I contacted them, when I got out, they said that the case was closed and there was nothing else for me to complete or do with them.
All right. Did you do felony drug court in Austin?
No, ma'am. I actually never ended up leaving. They had, my probation officer that I had went on, I don't know if it was a vacation or what. She ended up not coming back and I had got like a new probation officer. So I never even got to actually leave to Austin. They revoked it that time.
All right. Did you
Um,
complete parenting classes?
No, ma'am, I didn't. With my dad and us moving, I didn't get to start anything. I did sign up while I was in the
So
county
you've been on-
waiting.
You've been on probation since September 2021.
Right.
What have you completed?
I haven't got to complete anything else.
Okay.
That's what I'm saying. Now that I'm in more of a stable environment and situated and my dad a little bit more under control, I would be able to start and do everything that I was supposed to originally do.
All right. The court is finding violations 4 and true. The court is going to grant the motion, find you guilty. Would parties like to speak to time? I know State, you said you're asking for 10 years.
Your Honor, I just think a more moderate sentence would be appropriate.
The state demands 10 years. The defense counters with 2. It's a high-stakes tug of war, but Jessica's record doesn't help her cause. Judges weigh mercy against responsibility, and here, responsibility seems heavier. If you were the judge, what would feel fair? 10 years, or something lighter?
Just one moment. All right, court will find you guilty, grant the motion, sentence you to 10 years.
And just like that, the gavel falls. 10 years, Jessica's second chances run out. For anyone on probation, this is a warning. You can bend the system only so far before it snaps. Do you think this punishment was harsh justice or absolutely necessary?
All right, you do have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you are on deferred adjudication. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question of what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes.
And counsel, if she would like the therapeutic community, I can recommend that. It doesn't increase the length of time that you're in custody. Would you like that or no?
Yes.
All right, you'll still have to request it yourself. All right, good luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Jessica Johnson's probation ended in prison 10 years, despite her pleas. This case reminds us probation is a privilege, not a guarantee. What do you think, fair ruling or too severe? Share your thoughts below, and don't forget, like, share, and subscribe for more courtroom breakdowns.